Ready to achieve a professional quality shine without paying for expensive detailing? In this video, we're showcasing the best buffers and polishers for DIY detailing that make removing swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation easier than ever. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced car enthusiast, these top picks will help you restore your vehicle's finish with confidence. Check the links in the description below to explore each recommended buffer and polisher. Number 1 is the DEWALT Cordless Polisher. It stands out as a premium choice for advanced DIYers seeking professional-grade results. A 7 inches rotary head is powered by a brushless motor, offering better efficiency and lower maintenance than brushed models. Speeds adjust from 800 to 2200 RPM, making it versatile enough for car paint, headlight restoration, windshields, and fiberglass surfaces. Being cordless, it offers total freedom of movement with no cord to manage. The catch is its rotary design, which demands more technique than dual-action orbital tools to avoid swirl marks. Still, it's an excellent option for seasoned detailers. Number 2 is the Zota Orbital Polisher. This compact 3 inches mini model is designed for detail work, making it ideal for polishing tight spots such as door handles, mirrors, and trim. Its smaller pad allows for greater precision on intricate areas, and a generous 13.1-foot cord gives you plenty of range around the vehicle without constant unplugging. Despite the reduced size, it still delivers the same orbital motion found in larger units. The trade-off is coverage. Tackling big panels will naturally take longer than with a 6 inches polisher. Overall, it's a great specialized pick for anyone focused on detail-oriented polishing. Number 3 is the SPTA Buffer Polisher. It stands out for its generous kit of 8 polishing pads in both 5 inches and 6 inches sizes, making it compatible with a variety of tools and user preferences. Its dual-action orbital motion ensures swirl-free results across both curved and flat surfaces, and a carrying bag keeps everything organized and easy to transport. Of the 8 pads, 4 are cutting grade for tackling heavy oxidation, while the other 4 are finishing grade for that final polish. One drawback is the 5 inches size, which is less common and may limit compatibility with future pad purchases. Overall, a well-rounded kit for buyers wanting completeness. Number 4 is the AVID Power Car Buffer Polisher. This 6 inches dual-action orbital tool offers professional-level performance without the premium price tag. It features 6 variable speed settings, letting you dial things in from a gentle pace for delicate finishes to a faster mode for heavier correction work. A removable handle adds flexibility, helping you maintain comfortable control at different angles. It ships with 3 pads suited for cutting, polishing, and finishing. The dual-action motion helps guard against swirl marks for an even finish. The main trade-off is the corded design, which ties you to an outlet, but overall, it's a solid pick for dedicated DIYers. Number 5 is the AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. This 6 inches dual-action model features a variable speed range of 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, allowing precise control across a variety of paint conditions. Its random orbital action helps avoid swirl marks and works well on both curved and flat surfaces. 4 included pads support different polishing stages, and a detachable handle can shift positions for added comfort during longer sessions. One caveat: newcomers might find the speed range a bit daunting, with a risk of over-polishing if not dialed in correctly. Still, it's a solid budget-friendly option overall. Number 6 is the Niusken Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. It comes as a well-rounded package with 2 21 volts 2000 mAh batteries, allowing you to work longer with fewer charging interruptions. It includes a generous 18 attachments covering buffing, polishing, and scratch removal in one set. The 6-speed orbital design lets you match speed to paint condition and product type, while a built-in LED display keeps battery level and speed setting easy to track. Being cordless and lightweight, it's comfortable to use over longer sessions. The main downside is moderate battery life, so multiple vehicles may call for extra batteries. A practical, convenient option overall. Thanks for watching our guide to the best buffers and polishers for DIY detailing. We hope this video helped you find the perfect tool to bring out a flawless, showroom-quality finish on your vehicle. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and let us know your favorite polisher in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices.